Hi there, Spencer here. I'm a teammate at Virtual Pioneer, and Ben's asked me to lend a hand by doing a non-biased review of this great new software called OmniBlaster. And OmniBlaster is a 3-in-1 marketing platform that allows you to contact your subscribers via email, SMS, or voice message. And the thing that I'd say makes OmniBlaster really stand out is they really understand the power of people's mobile phones. So much internet marketing goes through email and Facebook channels, and it just doesn't get noticed. But with OmniBlaster, you can be vibrating their phone in their pocket and be sending them direct SMS messages, and most people will check those SMS text messages, and actual phone calls with recorded voice messages. And with this kind of marketing, it's really going to help you to cut through the clutter and have your message noticed among all the other marketing campaigns that a person is subjected to throughout the course of a day. So let's take a look at OmniBlaster. Here we are in the dashboard, and it's very simple to use. It's basically divided into email, SMS, and voice sections where you can configure your messages. Then you can set up a campaign to manage the sending of all those messages, and here's where you can create your lists where all those messages will be sent to. So you can build this out in any order you want, but it seems to me to make sense to start with the list first. So let's just take a look at Manage to see what lists already exist in this test account. And you can see here's the table of lists. So let's just take a look at this one and see what it looks like. This is an empty list. Let's try this one. View. Here we can see a variety of subscribers for email in this one. So let's go ahead and we'll create a new list. And here we'll give our list a name, and we'll select a list type. I have to choose either email or phone, so let's start with email, and let's rename our title for email just so we know. We'll go ahead and create this one. And here we can see our new list has been added. So here we have a variety of actions. We can upload our list. We can view our current list, and this is empty so far. We can edit, and I think this is just to edit the list name. We can delete. Let's go ahead and upload something here. And we can just paste that in. Or if we have a text or CSV file, we can upload that. So let's just save that to list. And we can continue adding more contacts, or we can just close this, and let's go back and just view our list and see if they saved. And they did. Here's our list so far. Okay, so now we have a list to work with. Let's move up the ladder here. Let's go to campaigns. Let's take a look at the existing campaigns first, just so we get an idea of how they work. And we can see here, here's a link to the subscribe page. And we'll be building a landing page like this ourselves in just a moment. And we got name, email, and phone numbers with a call to action, a title, and a description. And we also have an unsubscribe page. Again, asking for the subscriber's credentials. We can also integrate autoresponders here. And we can also directly add subscribers or view our subscriber list. We can activate or disable the campaign. Here we can edit the campaign, or we can delete it. So let's go to create, and we'll create a new campaign just to see how it works. So here we can select whether we want this campaign to be for email, SMS text message, or voice messaging. We'll give our campaign a name. And then we can choose from our lists here. And here is our list that we just created. And if we have a phone list built, we can add that as well. Here we can configure the sender's name, as well as the SMS sender's name. And here we can add a description. And I should have pointed out here in the form preview field, we can see it filling out as we go. So if we were to remove one of these options for, like, say, if we removed voice or SMS now. There's no longer a need to collect the phone input. So if we remove email, then all we're collecting is the name. So here we can add phone number, email, and voice would share the phone input. So that's the same input as SMS. Next, we can see below there's a button here, and we can set a call to action. And if we like the way our preview looks, we can go ahead and set up that campaign. Next, we can take a look at the various messages that we're going to be sending, either voice, email, or SMS. So let's take a look at voice first. Here we can upload an MP3 of our recording. We can enter the mobile numbers of our subscribers. So let's go ahead and input a few there. If we have a mobile list, we can add that list from our table of lists. Or if we have a text file, we can upload that directly here as well. Then we can either choose to send it instantly or schedule it for an advanced date. And we just choose that from the calendar. And then we can also select a time. And then when we're ready, we can go ahead and send message. Now, we haven't actually uploaded an MP3 yet, but otherwise that would schedule this message to send. It's pretty much the same process for SMS here. Except here, instead of uploading an MP3, we would type an SMS text message. And for email, let's just take a quick look at that. Here we can set up our email subject line, our sending email, our email addresses, and we can choose from a list or upload a separate text file with our email addresses included. And then down below here is the email message editor. And it's a full-featured editor, so you'll be able to make an attractive message here. And then again, select a date and time to send. So OmniBlaster is basically a one-stop platform that lets you manage all of your email, SMS, and voice message marketing and scheduling from one place. Ben has a really nice bonus package put together to accompany this offer, so if you'd like to check it out, please use his link in the description below. I hope you found this review useful. Thanks very much for watching.